Welcome to KEYPOWER Factory. I'm Derek. Today we present you this 1200 kV dual voltage 30-foot containerized generator, designed for extreme conditions, balancing power density and logistics. This customized generator integrates 6.3 kV step-up Arctic adaptability and smart control to redefine reliability and professional power solutions. The container was custom-made in KEYPOWER Factory, constructed with marine standard high-grade weathering steel, offering superior rust and corrosion resistance for long-term durability in harsh environments. Features a sandwich insulation layer filled with 50 mm thick, 100K density rock wool, providing exceptional fire resistance and thermal stability for extreme temperature operation. And all metal parts have the anti-corrosion coating. From this side, you can see the air intake exhaust systems adopt the weatherproof hood design. They open during the operation to prevent rain and snow ingress and automatically sealed when idle. Also, these motorized louvers are auto-synced with the generators, preventing moisture intrusion and retaining heat. All the design offers the generator maximum protection and extend components' lifespan. This generator is equipped with twin doors on both sides. Provide 1.2 meter wide maintenance space for easy daily service and maintenance. Inside, it's powered by Cummins KTA50 GS8 and with Larry Sommer LSA50 alternator. And here is the independent fuel tank for this generator. It's equipped with primary and backup line filling system and electric valves and transfer pumps for rapid refilling. And here is the fuel gauge for real-time monitoring, ideal for rental fleet efficiency. This is the built-in transformer, the key feature of this containerized generator we made this time. The transformer allows dual voltage output, 400 volts or 6.3 kV, adapting to the grid without extra external devices and cutting costs. And due to this 6.3 kV transformer, we've adopted a specialized synchronization method. Let's move to the controller and circuit breaker area to see how it works. The DeepC DSE8610 controller enables automatic synchronization and load sharing, seamless transition between master-slave mode and peak shaving for maximum flexibility. This time we use the dead bus fast sync method, which closes the breaker first, then synchronizes phases. This design eliminates the overcurrent tripping risks during breaker closing in conventional synchronization, sync first, then close, which leads to power failure. And by adopting dead bus method, the whole sync process for the online power units in the system can be completed within 15 seconds. From design to manufacturing, KEYPOWER delivers innovation and reliability in this 30-foot container. Whether it's for Arctic mines, emergency power, or 6.3 kV grids, this generator is definitely your professional power solution.